have shitty weather today, so we're gonna make a spooky video inside. What is it? Oh yes, so much dolphin. Hello, Mama's camera. This is not gonna be good. It's just pointing all over the place, smacking it around like that. Oh yeah. So we were gonna start heading south today, but it's raining and I don't want to travel in the rain. And the beautiful thing is I don't have to. So we're gonna hang out here today, and if it stops raining I'll stick around tomorrow so Spooky can go outside. He hasn't been outside in a couple of days. And then we'll start heading south. Just shift our timeline a little bit. Gotta go to Livingston, check the mail. And after that, I'm not sure. Thinking maybe I might head towards Houston and check out the city. If anybody has any Houston ideas, let me know.